Namaste to everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Today I will deliver lecture on Boolean algebra, lecture number 9, in which I will discuss some problems on representation theorem of Boolean algebra. Now we solve problem number 1. Prove that every finite Boolean algebra has 2 to the power n elements for some positive integer n. Solution. Let B be a finite Boolean algebra. Let S be the set of all atoms of B. Since PS equal to power set of S, equal to set of all subsets of S. Now let Ns, number of elements in S, equal to n. Therefore, NPS equal to 2 to the power n. We know that in a power set, number of elements equal to 2 to the power n if n be the number of elements in S. From representation theorem, of Boolean algebra, we know that every finite Boolean algebra is isomorphic with the PS, where S is the set of all atoms of B and PS equal to power set of S. Since PNPS means number of elements in PS equal to 2 to the power n. Therefore, from the property of isomorphism, NPS equal to NB. Implies that 2 to the power n equal to NB. Since in isomorphism we get that the Boolean algebra set B is 1 1 onto with PS. Hence proved. Now we solve problem number 2. Consider the Boolean algebra B is a set containing elements 1, 2, 5, 7, 10, 14, 35, 70. That is, the elements are divisor of 70 with plus dot complement defined as follow. A plus B equal to LCM of A and B. A dot B equal to GCD of A and B, and complement of A equal to 70 by A. Justify the representation theorem on the basis of this problem. Since the Boolean algebra B contains divisors of 70. So, in the form of lattice, we may define the relation this as A is related to B implies that A divides B. We may construct the hash diagram. Shown in figure. Here we write 1. 1 is the least element and 70 is the greatest element. Here 5, 1 divides 5. 5 divides 10, 10 divides 70. In this way, we have constructed the hash diagram. Here we see that two, 5, 7 are atoms. Here between 1 and 5 we do not get any element. Between 1 and 2 we do not get any element. Between 1 and 7 we do not get any element. So 2, 5 and 7 are atoms. Let S equal to a set containing elements 2, 5 and 7 means set of all atoms. Now PS equal to the set of all subsets of S means phi, 2, the set containing elements 2, set containing elements 5, set containing elements 7, set containing elements 2 and 5, set containing elements 2 and 7, set containing elements 5 and 7, set containing elements 2, 5, 7. Now let us define a mapping F such that F is defined on B into PS. If Fx equal to A, B, C, then X equal to A plus B plus C. Here plus means LCM. That means LCM ABC. Let F1 be the element of B equal to phi. Means this is the least element. Image of this element is phi here in PS, belongs to PS. F2 equal to set containing elements 2. Here we have seen that Fx equal to the set containing elements A, B, C, then X equal to A plus B plus C. Here 2 equal to 2. This belongs to PS. F5 equal to set containing elements 5, that belongs to PS. F7 equal to set containing elements 7, belong to PS. F10 equal to the set containing elements 2 and 5, that belongs to PS. Here 10 equal to 2 plus 5 means LCM of 2, 5. That means 10 equal to LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. F 14 equal to set containing elements 2 and 7. 14 equal to 2 plus 7. That means LCM of 2 and 7, and LCM of 2 and 7, LCM of 2 and 7 is 14. F35. And this belong to PS. Five and 7. Since 35 equal to 5 plus 7, that means LCM of 5 and 7. LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. And this belongs to PS. F70 equal to 2, 5 and 7 belongs to PS, and 70 equal to 2 plus 5 plus 7, that means LCM of 2, 5, 7. From these relations, we get that each element of B is associated with a single element of PS, and number of elements of PS equal to number of elements of B. NB equal to N PS. Therefore, F is 1, 1 on 2, and F preserves the relation plus, dot and complement. Then F is an isomorphism defined on B into PS. We may show the plus, dot and complement in case of this function f. Since f 2 plus 5, 2 plus 5 plus means LCM. LCM of 2 and 5 is 10, and we have seen that F10 equal to a set containing elements 2 and 5 in PS. F2 union F5. F2 means a set containing elements 2. F5 means set containing elements 5, and union of these two sets equal to a set containing elements 2 and 5. So right side equal, so left side equal. Hence F2 plus 5 equal to F2 union F5. Similarly, taking other elements, we may show that FA plus B equal to FA union FB for all small a, small b belongs to capital B. Now we take dot. F2 dot 5. Dot means GCD. GCD of 2 and 5 is 1. And we have seen that F1 equal to 5. Now F2 intersect F5. Here F2 equal to a set containing elements only 2, element 2, F5 equal to a set containing elements 5, and intersection of the two sets equal to 5. Right side equal, therefore left side equal. So F2 dot 5 equal to F2 intersect F5. Similarly, taking other elements, we may show that FA dot B equal to FA intersect FB. Now we show the properties of complement. F complement of 2 is 70 by 2, that is 35. F35 equal to a set containing elements 5 and 7. Now F2 equal to a set containing elements 2, and if we take complement both sides, complement of these, the set containing elements 2 is 5 and 7, since S equal to 2, 5 and 7. So complement of this set is a set containing elements 5 and 7. Here we see that right side equal, therefore left side equal, means F complement of 2 equal to F2 whole complement. Similarly, taking other elements, we may also show that F complement of A equal to FA whole complement. So here we get that the plus, dot and complement preserves for F, and also we have seen that F is 1 1 on 2, therefore F is an isomorphic mapping defined on B into PS. Therefore B is isomorphic to PS, hence representation theorem of Boolean algebra is valid in this case. Now we solve problem number 3. Consider the lattice containing elements 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20 of all positive divisors of 20 under divisibility relation, so that this lattice cannot be a Boolean algebra. Since this is a lattice L, let L equal to 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20 is a lattice. The relation this is defined as A is related to B implies that A divides B. Let us construct a hash diagram. And this is the hash diagram. Here we see that 1 divides 2, 2 divides 4, 4 divides 20, 1 divides 5, 5 divides 10, 10 divides 20, 1 divides 2, 2 divides 10, 5 divides 10. Here S equal to 2 5 equal to set of all atoms PS equal to 5 set containing elements 2 set containing elements 5 set containing elements 2 and 5 NPS equal to 1 2 3 4 but NL equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6. Therefore NPS not equal to NL. Therefore L is not isomorphic with PS. By representation theorem, it is clear that L is not a Boolean algebra. Note: for solution of the problem of this type, we may solve this by the concept that L is a Boolean algebra then NL equal to 2 to the power n type. Here NL equal to 6, since 6 is not equal to 2 to the power n for n 1 2 dot dot dot. Therefore L is not a Boolean algebra. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.